All right, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Arichain and also the TGE on Arichain, also latest information from Arichain. All right, so the first important thing is, what do you understand by Arichain and how does this actually get to help you? All right, so the main important thing right here is that Arichain is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to break walls between chains, all right, and also unify Web3 into a powerful ecosystem. Now, if you want to actually think of what I just made mention about, right, it's very simple, and at the same time, it's just going to help you in a way. All right. So just think about it like this: Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche. These are all different blockchain. All right. These are all different tokens. Now imagine them running together with one wallet and under one tokens and one gas system. So basically, everything is going to be running together, and there's not going to be much gas fee. There's not going to be much stress. You can basically assemble all of them in one way. All right, so that is what Arichain is basically going to be going out about. Now, according to CoinGecko.io, Ari trades around $0.0004 to around $0.005. All right, and total market supply near over 480 million. Now, this is not already out yet. This is basically like rumors. Every single thing right now is not official yet. All right, so we should not get our hopes high. One thing I want to point out to you guys is right from here. All right, so the recent post on Arichain and also how this can actually help us. Now, the recent post was actually made over 19 hours ago. I can see Ari Wallet perform a partnership with this particular company right over here, which is going to actually help us. All right, a platform that connects millions of cricket fans to chains and allow them to challenge what top cricket stars. All right, so if you do not know cricket, you're basically going to be knowing that because it's basically a sport which Arichain is basically partnering with. All right, and you can see right here more informations are all being provided. So this is to unlock a monetization and also engagement mechanism for the world's second largest sport. All right, and together with Ari Wallet, the vision will reach even greater heights. All right, so stay tuned for powerful, and also between these two projects you can basically see every information that is being provided right here are all clean. Now, this is a partnership between them, and this partnership majorly do not concern a lot of people, but this is going to help people that are super interested to actually like challenge superstars, and iChain is partnering with them. All right, so there's a lot of information that is already being dropped out right here. And aside this, we can also see right here, this is another post right here which is already being made about 1 day ago. Now you can basically see right here that on this particular post, you're going to be noticing a lot of things that are being provided right here. Now, this post is more concerned about the previous information which is being dropped, right? So there has been an issue with the selecting winners from the Ari logo merchandise design contest, all right? So there was a contest that has been hosted by Arichain, and there was an issue with selecting the winners. Now, this issue is already going to be tackled, and the reason why I say this issue is going to be tackled is because a lot of informations for you to be able to be luckily selected is also being provided already. So because there was many participants and some posts were accidentally missed during manual check on X, all right, so make sure no one gets left out, all right, and treated unfair, we are decided to collect entries again through a Google form. And for you to basically submit your entry, you have to submit your X handle, your X submission URL, and also your submission image, and using the form below. Now this is the form right over here. Now for you to participate on this, you can also get to like follow up. And for those of you that basically know about Arichain before, this is going to be really easy for you. All right, so right over here you can get the link from here, or I'll be providing the link for you guys in the description of this video, and also the link for Arichain is going to be provided for you guys in the description of this video. So if you found this helpful and you want to basically give it a try, please do not hesitate. This is going to really help you guys a lot, and at the same time, this is like more information about Arichain and how it can actually help you. All right, so like I've mentioned before, for you to basically like follow up with Arichain and also start mining, all you have to basically do is for you to download the wallet. After downloading the wallet, make sure to do your daily check-in, do your general check-in, and also if there's any other information like collaboration, you can basically follow up with that. All right, so every single information that you need are going to be provided for you. If you have any question, you are free to drop your questions and you're going to be answered. All right. So these are the access session, the sending, the contract, and also the area explorer and other information. If you need their white paper, every single information is provided for you. You can basically get that. All right. So this is basically my referral code in case you have your account. You have your account to create. I also provide my referral code for you guys in the description of this video, or basically provide the link for you guys, and every single thing is all provided. So stay tuned for more update. I wish you guys all the best, and if you enjoyed this video, do make sure to share the video with your friends, and please make sure to share this video with people that are going to be super interested. Stay tuned for more updates like this, and